Hi friends, today we are making an easy Portuguese no-cook salpicão, orange, and chickpea salad. It is smoky, juicy, fresh, and perfect when you want something impressive without using the stove. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 20 minutes of prep time. Let's walk through the ingredients. 8 ounces of ready-to-eat Portuguese Salpicão sausage brings the smoky, garlicky flavor, so choose one that is fully cured and labeled ready to eat. 2 large oranges add juicy sweetness and a fresh contrast to the cured Salpicão. 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, makes the salad hearty while keeping the recipe completely no-cook. 1 small red onion gives crispness and a gentle sharp bite that wakes up the whole bowl. 1/2 cup pitted black olives adds a briny Portuguese-style accent and balances the sweet orange. 1/2 cup fresh parsley leaves brings a clean herbal finish and makes the salad look bright. 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil create the silky base for our quick dressing. 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar gives the dressing a lively tang without overpowering the salpicão. 1/2 teaspoon sweet paprika echoes the smoky cured sausage and gives the vinaigrette a warm color. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper adds just enough warmth to finish the dressing. We begin the no-cook prep by washing the 2 large oranges and the 1/2 cup fresh parsley leaves, then drying them well so the dressing stays bright instead of watery. Now check that the 8 ounces of Portuguese Salpicão is labeled ready to eat, then peel away any tough outer casing if your sausage has one. With the Salpicão ready, slice all 8 ounces into thin coins, about 1/8 inch thick, so every bite has smoky flavor without feeling heavy. Separate the Salpicão slices with your fingers and set them aside, which keeps them from clumping when we toss the salad later. Next, drain and rinse the 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, then shake off the excess water so they can soak up the vinaigrette. Peel the 2 large oranges, removing as much white pith as you can, because clean orange flesh gives the salad a sweeter, neater bite. Cut the peeled oranges into bite-sized pieces over the large mixing bowl, and save 1 tablespoon of the juice that collects in the bowl for the dressing. Thinly slice the 1 small red onion into wisps, so it brings crunch and sharpness without taking over the salad. Roughly chop the 1/2 cup fresh parsley leaves, keeping the pieces loose and leafy for a fresh finish. Now make the quick dressing by combining 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of the reserved orange juice, 1/2 teaspoon sweet paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper in a small bowl. Whisk the dressing for about 30 seconds, until the paprika colors the oil and the vinaigrette looks glossy and lightly blended. Add the drained chickpeas, the thinly sliced red onion, and the 1/2 cup pitted black olives to the large mixing bowl. Add the orange pieces and all of the sliced salpicão, then fold gently so the oranges stay juicy and the salpicão stays in visible coins. Pour all of the paprika vinaigrette over the salad and toss gently for about 30 seconds, just until every ingredient has a light golden coating. Let the salad rest for 10 minutes at room temperature, which gives the chickpeas time to absorb the smoky, citrusy dressing. To close the prep, transfer the salad to the round serving plate and scatter all of the chopped parsley over the top. The no-cook Portuguese Salpicão salad is ready to serve. Here it is, smoky Portuguese Salpicão, sweet orange, creamy chickpeas, and a bright paprika dressing, all without turning on the stove. Serve it lightly chilled or at room temperature with crusty bread, and you have the easy, colorful plate we promised at the start. If you enjoyed this no-cook recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple dishes.